Hello all my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching. Today in this video we are going to learn about Pythagorean triplets, and this video is going to be very helpful for you and interesting as well. So I will suggest you to watch the complete video, and this is going to be really helpful for you. So let's start with the topic. Students, do you know about right angle triangle? Yes, we all know about right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is a triangle whose one of the angle is of 90 degree. So as you can see in this triangle ABC, this angle, that is angle ABC, is 90 degrees. So we will call this triangle as right angle triangle. Students, in front of this right angle, that is 90 degree, and this is the longest side of the triangle, and this side is known as hypotenuse, and we represent this hypotenuse using the letter capital H. And my dear students, on this line the triangle is based, means it is on this particular side. So this is known as base of the triangle. We represent this with the capital B. And the perpendicular of the triangle is the height of the triangle. So we will represent the height with capital P. And according to the Pythagorean theorem, we know hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. For example, if we assume the hypotenuse to be 5, base to be 4, and perpendicular to be 3. And here we can prove by this formula, that is 5 square, that is 25, we will get here, equal to base square, base is 4, so 4 square is 16, plus perpendicular square, that is 3 square, that is 9. So we are getting here 25 on the left hand side equal to 16 plus 9, and 16 plus 9 is 25 as well. So we have proved this Pythagorean theorem. So here we have 3, 4 and 5 as the sides of the triangle. Which triangle? Right angle triangle. So this sides, that is 3, 4 and 5, are known as Pythagorean triplet. Why triplet? Because 3 numbers. Why Pythagorean triplet? Because it is following Pythagorean theorem. So let us learn how we can find out the Pythagorean triplets easily using the tricks. Let us first find out the Pythagorean triplets of odd numbers, and Pythagorean triplets start from the number 3. So let us start with the Pythagorean triplet of odd numbers, and we will start with the digit 3 because 3 is the smallest Pythagorean number. So let us find out. So here if we assume the number to be 3, and if we are asked to find out other two numbers so that we can find out the triplets, how we are going to find out? So this rule is applicable for the odd numbers. So we will learn about the odd numbers first. Next we will start with the even numbers. So 3 is an odd number. So let us start with 3. So first what we are going to do is we need to find out the square of this 3. Square of 3 means 3 square. So 2 times we will do the same thing. So here 3 square. Done. So 3 square is 9. In both the cases we have got 9. In one we need to add 1, and in the other you need to minus 1. So here you are getting 10, and here we are getting 8. Done? Yes. One more step, that is we need to divide the resultant number what we are getting. We are going to divide it by 2. So 8 divided by 2 we are getting 4, and 10 divided by 2 we are getting 5. So our triplet is 3, 4, 5. Here we cannot say that which one is base and which one is perpendicular, but we can say which one is hypotenuse, because hypotenuse is the longest side. So 5 is the hypotenuse here. Let us see another one example to learn the concept better. For example, if we take next odd number, that is 5. So first step is to square the number. So we will do 5 square in both the cases. So 5 square, and here also 5 square. 5 square what you will get? You will get 25. So write 25. Now in one you need to add 1 and in the other you need to subtract 1. So 25 minus 1 you are getting 24 here, and 25 plus 1 you are getting 26 here. So minus 1 plus 1 is done. Next step is to divide by 2. So divide 24 by 2, you will get here 12, and divide 26 by 2, you will get here 13. So this is the triplet. What are the triplet? 5, 12 and 13, and 13 is the hypotenuse here. So 5, 12, 13 is the triplet. Let us see another one example, and next we will write the formula. So let us see for next odd number, that is 7. So we know 7 square is 49. So we will find out 7 square, that is 49. Done. In both the cases we will do 7 square, that is 49. In one you need to subtract 1. So 49 minus 1 you will get 48. In the other you need to add 1. So 49 plus 1 you will get here 50. Done. Now we need to divide the resultant number, that is 48 and 50 by 2. So 48 by 2 you will get here 24, and 50 divided by 2 you will get here 25. So here triplet 7, 24 and 25. So 7, 24 and 25 is one of the Pythagorean triplet, and here 5 is the hypotenuse. So what is the formula? If we know the smallest odd number, then how we can find out the triplets? So how we are going to find out? If the smallest number is odd number. What? Odd number. Let us assume the odd number to be n. So this is the smallest triplet. Next triplet, how we will find out? You need to find the square of the given number, that is n square. In both the cases you need to find out n square. First you need to plus 1, next minus 1, and whatever you are getting, whole thing you need to divide by 2 in both the cases. So this is the final formula for finding out triplet when we know the smallest odd number of the triplet. Now let us learn how to find out the Pythagorean triplet if we know the smallest number and if the smallest number of the triplet is an even number. Let us know the formula first. So the smallest number will be represented by 2m. So 2m is the smallest among the triplet. Next will be m square plus 1, and other will be m square minus 1. This formula is applicable if the smallest of the triplet is an even number. So let us learn with help of an example. If the smallest number among the triplet is given to be 8, so we can write 2m equals to 8 because smallest of the triplet is said to be 8, and here 2m is the smallest among the triplet. So 2m is equal to 8. Now we can write m equal to 8 divided by 2. So this 2 which was in the multiplication, it will go on the other side and it will become division. So 8 divided by 2, you are getting here 4. So the value of m here is 4. Now we can find out the other two triplet with help of this value, that is m. So next one is m square plus 1. Here the value of m we have found out to be 4. So 4 square plus 1. 4 square means 4 into 4, that is 16. 16 plus 1, you are getting the next one as 17. M square minus 1 is the next number of this triplet. So m square means 4 square because the value of m is 4 here minus 1. 4 square is 4 4s are 16 minus 1. You are getting here 15. So what is the Pythagorean triplet here? 8, 15, 17. Here 17 is the longest among the sides. So this is the hypotenuse. You need to write the value of 2m, that is 8 over here, not 4. This you need to remember. So let us go through another one example to clear our concept. So if in the question we are given the smallest number among the triplet is 10. So 10 is an even number, and the smallest among the triplet when it is even number is 2m. So here the value of 2m is given to be 10. So we can write 2m equal to 10. From here we can calculate the value of m. So m will be 10 divided by 2, because this 2 was in the multiplication, on the other side will be in the division. So 10 divided by 2, you are getting 5. So 5 is value of m. Next number of the triplet is m square minus 1. So m square, what is value of m here? M is 5. So 5 square is 25 minus 1. So 25 minus 1, you will get here 24. Now we are left with another one number, that is m square plus 1. So m square is 5 square here plus 1. So 5 square is 25 plus 1. We are getting here 26. Here the triplets are 10 that was given, comma 24 that we have found out the value of m square minus 1, and the value of m square plus 1 is 26. So next is 26, and here among this 26 is the longest length, so this is the hypotenuse. So my dear students, now I think Pythagorean triplets are clear to you, and you can easily find out the Pythagorean triplets, and this is going to be very helpful in higher education and also in the competitive exams along with the school exam. And if you find the content of this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and also join our Telegram channel to directly communicate with the expert faculties of our channel. Bye bye students, have a nice day.